Hey guys, so today I want you to do a bit of an investigation with a board game. You're going to be looking at the chance outcomes that can come with a board game. So try and pick one that has multiple options and not just a simple roll the dice. So this does involve a dice, but as you can see here, there are two sets of each color on the dice and there are five colors to choose from. So already I can see that there's some chance outcomes there. On the board as well, we can count how many of each there are. And then we could even go further and look at the categories of each of these four cards. So let's start with an easy one. Let's look at the dice. So we can see here there are 10 outcomes, 10 possible outcomes. And there are two of each. So each color has a 2 out of 10 chance of being rolled. And I'm going to write that each color on dice has 2 out of 10. We can also write this as 20% chance of being rolled. Okay, so that's one chance outcome. The other one we can look at is the board. So let's count how many spots there are altogether. Missed one. So there are 24 spots on the board. But now I'm going to count how many are pictured of each one. However, the purple cranium, that means they get to choose which one they want to pick. So we'll add that as 1 to each of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10. Let's actually say that there's 25 because technically that last one is there. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So a 10 out of 25 chance. Oh, there's my alarm. I'll just pause the video. Sorry, I also realized that I'm writing upside down for you guys. So 10 out of 25 chance. I can convert this to a smaller fraction. This is the same as a quarter. And then as a percentage, that would be 40%. No, not 40%, 25%, sorry. I was thinking it would be 0.4, 0.4. So that is for the possibilities of landing on a particular color, and I would write that up the top. So then I could go ahead and I could investigate each of the different types of cards there are. Okay. So this card, in each category, there are the different, so this is data head category, but in each card, there's different options. So there's select a quest, there's another select a quest, there's a polygraph, odd couple, and I could go ahead and sort all of these and I could then work out the chance of them being drawn. So I'm going to go ahead and sort them and I'll pause the video. Okay, I have gone ahead and sorted. I realized before I had two piles of odd couples. So there are four categories and each category has 37. So there are 37 out of 148 altogether. So I times it by 4. Chance, okay? And if I divided 37 by 148, I would actually get 0.25. And that's pretty evident that there's an equal chance. So there's a quarter chance. So a simplified fraction of that would be a quarter. So that's the same as 25% chance of each card being chosen. And you'll probably find that they are an equal chance of being chosen. There are some games that you might find aren't. But we're just getting into the habit of looking at chance outcomes. I mean, we could go ahead and then have a bit of a play of the game and work out, all right, well, if I roll a yellow, I'm here, and do a bit of a flow chart of, um, so, so each chance, like, um, but I would have all the colors, blue, red, yellow, purple, and green. And then it would be like, all right, I chose a yellow, and then I've got the same chances again, and do a flow chart like that to show um, all the outcomes. But that's if you'd like to. So pick a game, see what chance outcomes you can do. I want you to write it like this. So write, chance of choosing polygraph when picking a red card, for example. Show it as a fraction, show it as a decimal, and show it as a percentage. And try and think of as many chance outcomes possible in the game that you choose. Have fun!